2018 Kia Rio. With a starting MSRP of $13,900, it's as affordable as it is fun. At this year's Auto Trader New Car Awards, voted on by more than 43,000 real car owners, the Rio was named Best Value New Car thanks to its wide-ranging ability, practicality, and fantastic warranty. The Rio's highly efficient GDI engine keeps gas costs low while maintaining smooth, powerful acceleration and a longer time between refueling. The Rio also won Best Car for New Drivers, making it the only car to be given 2 awards this year. The Rio sits in one of the lowest insurance groups, and with its compact design and advanced safety features, Auto Trader called it an ideal vehicle for new drivers.